I've worked with many celebrities, Mick Jagger, Rachel McAdams, Sadie Sink. Today I'm gonna be styling Stacie. Hi Stacie. And we're gonna do Beyonce's long bob or lob. Beyonce's lob is so iconic, it's never going to go out of style. I love this look on her. The blonde is going to pop, and then we are gonna cut it into this cute floaty bob, just like Beyonce.
Oh my God, wow!
All right, let's take a look. I love everything about my job. I love the whole process of making the client feel beautiful. There's no such thing as too much hair, too much curl. I want the client to feel great about their hair. So I'm gonna start with the Christoph Robin Cleansing Purifying Scrub because you have a little bit of oil in there and I wanna make sure to get it all out.
Whatever this is smells
It's so good. This product, it's a salt scrub. It's meant to kind of reset your scalp and just kind of give it like a nice good detox. So now we're gonna rinse. Beyonce's lob is so iconic because it is a bob. It's timeless. It's been timeless since Coco Chanel came up with the bob. You can style it different ways. You can wear it down the middle, you part it to the side. It's always going to be in season. It's always going to be a classic. It's never going to go out of style. All the old school relaxers with formaldehyde in it are really harmful for your health. We do not do this. We strictly use the amino acid treatment from Purelux. Purelux uses amino acids to smooth the hair cuticle down so it's shinier and it appears smoother. All right, let's mix it up.
So give me the tea. Who have you worked with in the last couple of years?
One of the biggest celebrities that I've done would be Mick Jagger.
Ooh.
Most recent would be Rachel McAdams and Sadie Sink from Stranger Things. And Rachel McAdams, I would say, is my top favorite. So I'm applying the Purelux right now, so I'm just kind of saturating it, but not too much where it's dripping, and then just kind of massaging it into your hair so it seeps in there. All right, we're set a timer for 30 minutes and set you under infrared heat. This is the infrared light, and it's gonna help the product penetrate your hair a little bit more. There is a take-home treatment as a stylist, and I know my clients, they take it and they abuse it. And when you use too much, it's not good for your hair. I would advise not to do that. All right, so it's been 30 minutes. I'm gonna turn this off, and then we're gonna go to the shampoo bowl. We're gonna rinse. So now we're gonna brush your hair out and blow dry it. And this is going to kind of seal it all in, especially the flat iron is gonna seal the whole Purelux treatment into your hair. I always tell my clients when they use hot tools or blow dryers at home to put it on medium heat settings. You don't want that much hair coming out of the blow dryer. You just want a little bit of heat, and it's slow heat. And that's what's gonna give you a longer lasting result without damage. All right, we're almost done.
Ooh, I am starting to feel my inner Sasha Fierce.
Yes.
Come on, Beyonce.
So the color we're doing today is Beyonce's kind of classic signature golden blonde. I'm gonna go through and use kind of a combination of highlighting techniques to brighten you up as much as possible without touching any of the ends that are already a little compromised. All right, so your oils are fully processed. We'll get it all rinsed, shampooed, and then we're gonna put your gloss on. So you're not gonna have any harsh lines, and you're gonna have a lot more of a natural grow out. I know that you're a mom and a business owner, and you need something that's more low maintenance, but still fun.
I see the Beyonce coming.
So one thing I do notice about Beyonce's bob is how floaty it looks and how it swings with her head. So to achieve that look, what I do, my little secret is I go from the inside, the very bottom, I cut short. I cut shorter than anything else. And as I go up each section, a millimeter longer. So then it gives it that nice floaty look without the flip. You need to get your lob trimmed probably about every 8 weeks. It is a very high maintenance haircut because it has to be above your shoulder. So once it touches, it needs to be cut. Right. This is so right.
Oh my God! Wow! I love it! Yes.
So cute.
Look at the angle.
At the angle, just the subtle, slight, classic angle.
I need to hug you. Oh my God, it looks like a hug. Thank you.